Every trading expert tells you to read the charts, but that only works if you've spent years building the instinct to do so. If you're new, you're being handed a map in a language you don't speak yet. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly why that keeps costing you money and what you can do about it instead. This is the same process I used to turn a $1,000 account into $3,589 in less than 1 year. So have you ever watched an expert discretionary trader teach their system, drawing trend lines, spotting head and shoulder patterns, and every single example they give looks so clean, so obvious, so you try it for yourself and you hit losing trade after losing trade. The same setup that looked crystal clear on their screen looks completely different on yours, and you can't figure out why. So here's what's actually going on. Those experts aren't just following rules. They're using 10 years of pattern recognition that they can't fully put into words. And no matter how good the explanation is, you can't learn intuition from a YouTube video. So the obvious answer seems to be get 10 years of experience or remove the human. Use a robot instead. Start algo trading. Someone gives you a complete set of rules, exact entry conditions, exit conditions, stop loss size, no interpretation required. The robot takes the same trades that they take. No experience required. It sounds like the experience problem is solved. But think about this for a second. Say someone gives you a rule. Buy gold on the 1 hour chart when the RSI crosses 30. Simple enough. But why gold? Why the 1 hour chart? Why RSI? Why 30 and not 28? Every single one of those decisions came from somewhere, and that somewhere is years and years of watching markets, testing ideas, and developing a feel for what works. The rules may look objective, but buried inside each rule is someone else's expert experience. The experience problem hasn't gone away, it's just now hidden inside this strategy, which means copying someone else's strategy doesn't actually solve it. You still need the experience. So what if you could get 10 years of trading experience without actually trading for 10 years? Here's what I do. I take 14 years of historical data and I split it into blocks. I use 4 years of data to build a strategy. Then I simulate live trading for the next year, seeing every single profit and loss play out as if I was trading it in real time. Then I repeat that process over and over again for the next 10 years, every year, every asset, every single time frame. So instead of spending 10 years finding out that a certain stop loss size doesn't hold up on gold, or that a trend following strategy dies on the euro in a ranging market, I find out in days. The simulation compresses all that experience into a fraction of the time. You get the knowledge without the real world losses. So in practice, this is what it looks like. I have 2 PCs. One is purely for simulated trading and one is for building strategies to trade live. And my simulated PC is where I run my experiments. Like, what if my stop losses were 2 times ATR instead of 1 times ATR? What if I use the ADX as a filter across all my strategies? Instead of guessing, I can see the answer across 10 years of data in a matter of days. That's the kind of knowledge that used to take decades of live trading to figure out. Here's the results from one of my experiments. So I went and created 60,300 strategies on the 15-minute time frame, 28 Forex pairs simulated trading from 2015 all the way up to 2025. The green simulated trading results is what I'm actually interested in and what you're going to see on the next chart. I wanted to see how effective one of my robustness tests had on the simulated live trading. So on average, 32.5% of strategies were profitable without any robustness tests. And after I applied just one of my tests, the profitability jumped up to 43%. That's a 10.8% improvement. This is not guesswork. This is proof across 60,000 strategies that this particular robustness test works, especially when you see the same behavior across different timeframes and across different currencies. I can then test other tests or tweak the settings. That's 10 years of experience squeezed into a few weeks. And when my students get access to those results, the learning curve shrinks dramatically. For example, Gary built a profitable strategy within weeks of signing up, and he's been trading it for the past 5 months. And David got funded $30,000 by DarwinX, and neither of them had years of trading experience. They just had access to the simulation process. Speaking of DarwinX, they are a great platform that pays good traders. You get a simulated account to trade, and you can get allocation in 4 different stages, ranging from 30K all the way up to 500K. Plus, there's investor capital, which can get into the millions and millions of dollars. And these different funding options are stackable. So you can get silver, gold, investor capital, and boosters all in the one account. And I have an active trading account with them, and many of my students have also received allocation and withdrawals from DarwinX Zero. You can use the code LISA when signing up for a discount. Now that you've seen some of the results of my experiments, but you can also do the exact same thing. So watch this video where I show you the exact software that I use to create these strategies for me.